quick reminder. We're upset that Cree the creepy bird left too. Yeah, I agree with Tom Space Cat. But then she won't be scaring a bunch of kid TV across Sylvia anymore. No one asked for your opinion, Scratch. What an opinion basher you two are! I wish I could quit your group. This is a disaster! Ever since Cree the creepy bird left, we noticed something different about the cigarette boxes, beer bottles, and medicine candy we bought. Medicine candy? What kind of candy is that? Hello, welcome to Cooking with Chella. Today, we're going to show you how to ruin your least favorite shows. First, I'm going to say that last time Della said she wanted to ruin Danger Rangers, she said that she read her mind by removing Squeaky. I'm also going to replace Ranger Gabrielle with Dora the Explorer. Not gonna happen. Delamination. Don't call me Delamination. Chellanoids. Nella atrocious. Anyways, what are those? If you made your own cooking show, you'd probably be starting a fire a lot. Then Fireman Sam will be coming. Then you'll have to be taught more lessons about why you should not play with fire. I just want to watch Baby Shark's big show. And I want my birthday and sticky cheese. And so, yeah, they apparently perform the Daylight Savings Time song every year. You know, that same Daylight Savings Time Nibble sang last year. Hey, we love that Daylight Savings Time song. Meanwhile, at the place where Cree and Evil Moves are moving out of, I'm glad we moved out of Crossovia. That way we can be unsafe all we want. I agree with you. How long until we're at Fruit Salad Island? We'll be in Fruit Salad Island in a couple of days. Yay!